Are you ready? Uh, we were exploring tutorials of Python. We did a half, and now we are on the path. We will be completing as much as will be possible from our side. We will be doing. So I want to start. Programming language is Python. Programming language is Python. I want to start without any wasting time. So let's first of all select what uh, Python. Python. It's not working. So let me know. Let me know. Are you clear? Are you clear? So here you go and select your language, programming language. Here I am selecting Python. I am selecting Python. I think it's not working. What happened? Python tutorial. We had completed some concepts of Python, so we will ignore those concepts that we have discussed. So let's start from a string. Let's start from a string. Slicing, it is done. Negative index, it is also done. I am not repeating it again. Once we are once we did complete this Python programming language, then we will be doing we will be taking it complete as a revision. But right now we are going to complete this. String length, it is also string methods. Now we have replace, it is also done. A split, yes. Check string, yes. String on, oh yeah, it is also done. It is also done. String format, you can add here. So should we start from here? Yes. Let's begin from here. What is the concept? String format. This is the topic. String format. Let's read first of all. As we learned in the Python variables chapter, we cannot combine strings and numbers like this. So in this you will realize that we will not be able to add a value of this age here with this string, because it is not possible. We will have to apply some rules that are made by this programming language. So what to do? First of all, let's check, is it error or no? So yes, it is error. So how to fix it? We will see. Look, you have this string, okay, and you want to add a number with your text, then what will you do? If you write like this, then it will give you error. So is it not possible to add a number with text? Answer would be no. Is it it is possible. It is a possible, but just we will have to apply rules. Just rules. So let's see what is the rule. Here we can read, but we can combine strings and numbers by using format method. What is the format method? We are exploring now. The format method takes the passed arguments, formats them, and place them in the string where the placeholder are. Example, example. If you didn't understand this, hold me. I have one solution. You can read what is it. It is a confusion. This is not clear. Let's see it practically. What is the use of this method? Use the format method to insert numbers with a text. If you want to add any number, then you will have to use this method, format method. Let's see format method. We have this screen here. As you can see, we have this two variables. Name of the first variable is age, and in this age what is stored? 36, which is it is a number and it is a int, as we know. And here this number is stored in this variable. Text, we have this my name is this that, and add this is the next line. My name is John, and I am, and here whatever we want to insert, then just use this. But here remember we are inserting a number. That's why this symbol came here. This symbol came here. So remember, use this type of a bracket. This type of a bracket. My name is okay, and this word will be in string. My name is okay, then comma, next, and I am, then format method, then string, and print what? Text, then into format is. From here to till here this would be text, but in this we have a format. So into format, and which format? Was format. So this variable, and here as you can see, my name is John and I am 36. That is how it works. That is how it works. Now let's enter our variable. Let's create. It was by this website, but we are going to create our variable. Here remember, it is a practice lecture only, not only theoretically. You are learning it practically, not theoretically. That's why it can take sometimes more time. So now here we are going to create a two variables. So let's say uh, number of students. Okay, number of students. So number of number of students. Students, clear. Number of students. How much? Let's say 25, 26, okay, 56, clear. This is the first variable. Next, number of students. Next, let's say number of students, okay. And in this room are how much? 56 students. That is how we want to, that is what we wanted to print. So now number of no, in room 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 mm, in this in this classes, and this classes, clear. So this should be download. And now, as you know, this is a variable, so and here this is not variable, so we will have to apply string. Clear. Now let's print what let's print hold on. One more. In this classes are uh, 56 students. So for this rubber we will apply just this bracket, then close bracket, are 56, and then a student, students, clear. Then full stop. Here you are observing that here we want to insert this number, but this is not complete. Okay, now we are moving forward. Print text, print what? Room, this room. So here ROOM, and then into, then here format, okay. Then variable, clear. One more bracket, because of we have this is 2 and this is 1, so it is incomplete, that's why. So one more bracket. Now it is done, but as you know, it should be downward. Now it is done. Let's see, will it be error? I think it should be error because of this. I am afraid of this. Let's see what will happen. Here error is in this 2 2 4 5 because of this. Let's take this. Okay, now let's see. Again it would be error, but I want to see practical. Now here my name is John. Okay, uh, name here. I am going to fix it now. uh, this is error because of it is a keyword, it is showing which is a keyword, that's why. So how to fix it? Number of students. Let's just say number. Okay, number. We will fix it later. Now it will work. Now it will work. Here, this is number how much? 56. Room. Now what is happening? Number. Error is here. What is error? This is error. This is error. No problem. Here, line 7 and string. Where? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. String. This is the under of a string. Line 7 in string object has format is now let's run it. Line 7 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. What is happening here? If we apply here comma, hold on. Here is this is here. This is oh my god. Hold on. One more. Here text. Okay. But here it should be number, brother, number. What are you doing? My mind is somewhere. Number, number, okay, number, okay. Room, okay, room, okay. Uh, format, okay. Hold on. This is also problem. What the hell is happening? In this classes of 56 students, so finally it did. It happened. Finally it happened. So here, I was not wasting time. Just it took more time. But here, you realize that there was some errors because of this. Okay. So I would like to do one more. I would like to do one more. Uh, books, books. Hold on. What is happening? Books, books. Okay. So here, mm, let's say books are how much? Not books. Temperature. It is not making sense. That's why. Temperature. Clear? Now, 36 degree Celsius. 36 degree. Just 36 degree. 36 degree. Where is the degree? 36 degree. How to apply this degree? Yeah, 36 degree. Clear? So here it should be. This is the first, and here can say you can say that you can say hashtag and uh, hashtag second. You can say second. This is second. Okay, clear. It is done. Now we have this hashtag third. It is also compulsory to indicate that yes, it is a third. Clear. This much. Okay, no problem. Now forward. Next variable. My room has this much. Uh, today today temperature is this much. Yes, today temperature is this much. So today for this let's say variable var var only x. India will write India. What is it? Why India? India. Okay, I will fix it later. India. Then uh, today temperature is today temperature is okay. Now format. Clear. Okay, now as you know it should be this is next variable. Clear. This is the next variable. What else? Print. 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 Okay. Print bracket. Then this India. First of all, print India. Okay. That's why we will write. We will enter India variable. So India. India. Okay. Then into format. 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 Then next variable. Format of. Format of. For this of temperature. 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 Okay. One more. Then one more. It is done. It is done. So should we run it? Of course, this is a complete. I know it will give us error, but let's see. Will it give error? Yes, here in this line 11 in this. Now let's see. In this classes are 56 students. Today temperature is 36 degree Celsius. So it worked. That is how you will have. So here we want to today temperature is 36 degrees Celsius. So for this degree Celsius, here enter degree Celsius. Celsius, clear? Degree Celsius. Now it will execute. In this classes are 56 students. Today temperature is 36 degree Celsius. Celsius. Error because of this. Because of this. Now it will work. I hope you have understood what happened. This was one automatic, and here we created this. So how to use format method? That is how. Why to use format method? Use format method so that you can apply numbers with a text. And when to use this format method? So answer is what? Whenever there is a need of this format, whenever there is a requirement to insert numbers, then you will have to use this format method. Now we are moving ahead. Next we have the format method takes a limited number of arguments and are placed into a respective placeholder. What is it saying? Let's see. Here we have this quantity. It is a variable. First of all, now I am analyzing. So here quantity is variable, item number is a variable, price is variable, my order is variable. Okay, and I am saying print. First of all, print this my order into format. Format means we are applying. We want to insert number here, and in this what this first of all this So here, as you can see, we have three formats: one, two, three. If we enter here first of all quantity, then here would be three. If you enter this first, then it would be here. So remember, uh, okay. Then comma item number here. Item number will appear here, and price will appear here. That is how it works. So here, as you can see, result is I want three pieces of item 567 for this price. Okay, now let's do it through our side. Quantity. I want what? Materials, not material. Numbers, series, episode. Episode will be better. Series, third. Series, not third, sixth. Clear. Sixth. And it is hashtag 2. Hashtag 2. Hashtag 2. Series 6. This is first value. Next is we want what? I watched series 6. I watched series 6, uh, which is which price was which price was which I watched series number 6, and the price of ticket was this much. So here series 6, and now ticket price. Okay, T C, ticket price. What is happening? Ticket price. This is what is happening. So ticket price is how much? 250. 250. Clear. This is the next variable. This is the next variable. And now next is what? Next is what? I. Clear. I. So here I watched series number 6 for this format. Then I watched series number 6, and I paid for this much price, and paid format rupees, rupees. Where is rupees? Rupees. It is not coming rupees. What happened? Okay, I am ignoring this rupees. So I watched a series number, then the format, then paid this much money. Money will be there. Money. I watched. Hold on. Here is wrong. I watched series number 6 and paid this much money. This much money. This is enough. This much money for 2 tickets. For 2 tickets. For 2 tickets. For 2 tickets. Okay. Now here we have this one and this another. So here how much? T. Tickets. 2 and here 2. Okay, it is done. Now it is done. Here we have 3 variables, this one, this 2 and this third, and then we have this I. Now here we would say print this variable, then in this variable we have this format of this, and then this format of this, and this format of this. So here print what I, then into format I into format, then bracket, open bracket, uh, I first of all print this, then it format is coming, format of this series. So series, then comma, we have 3 variables. We can enter all these 3 variables together. Next is a TP. Then we have tickets. Clear. It is done. Now one more. Because we have 3 brackets, so one more. Clear. It is clear. Oh, can I say confidently that it is not error? It will not give us error. Yes, I can say. It should not be error. Yes, of course. So let's run it. Input is complete. Here we have error. line number 5, and where my order dot format quantity. Hold on. Line number 5, my order let's ignore this. Multi comments. Now let's run it again. uh this is okay. My order format quantity, where print this, and paid money, tickets. What is happening? Okay, no problem, no problem. Let's copy this. Let's copy this. Okay, you can use index numbers to be sure the arguments are placed in the correct placeholder. Here, it will run. It will run. My order. Okay, okay, okay. Again, if we run it, it is working. It is working. From here. No, it will not work. Why? Series, taping tickets. I watched a series. So here, line number 10. I watched a series. Number and paid money. Oh, oh, oh. Here, string. Now it worked. Finally, it worked. I watched a series number 6 and paid. I know it is not visible, but it is not giving error. It means yes, it did. It worked, baby. This has been executed. This has been executed. So finally, it is done. I was thinking, where did I wrong? Did I wrong? So finally, it is done. So that is how you can use a format method. In this we have these three variables, and we can put these three variables together like this. Now let's move ahead. We have here what we have here. In this it is saying you can use index number to be sure. Let's see how. Uh, Here, these three variables. Okay, my order. This is also variable. I want to pay. This is index number. Okay, dollars index number, which means I want to pay 500 dollars for 0 Place of items 1, and here pay 2, so 0 1 2, so that's a 2 here, and dollars 0, so 3, and then 1. So you start from 0. You can consider this variable as a 0, then this 1, then this 2. That is how you can enter index number. For example, I have this variable series, so hashtag second. Okay, clear here. Here you can enter what? Here you can enter index number, but here start from here, count from 0 0 1 2, like this. So here I want to put what? Let's say 2, this, so this would be 1 2 0 1 2 2, and here it should be 1, not 1 0 0, and it should be 1. That is how you can use index number. Now let's run it. Error. I watched the series. Error because of this string. Finally it is done. So in this we saw that the index number can be used in format and it will execute. Escape character. To insert characters that are illegal in a string, use an escape character. An escape character is a backslash followed by the characters you want to insert. An example of an illegal character is a double quote inside a string that is surrounded by double quote. For example, here, from here to till here, this is illegal. You will get an error if you use a double quotes inside a string. Yes, inside a string. If you use again a string, then you will get error. If you use a double quotes inside a string that is surrounded by double quotes, then in that case you will get error. This is what is it saying, as you can see text. So remember, don't use a string inside this. If you want to use, then we have a rule which name is escape character. The escape character allows you to use double quotes when you normally would not be allowed, like this. Now if you use this slash, it means escape character. We are the so-called, okay, hold on. We are the so-called and this. Okay, where to use this slash? When you want to use these strings, you want to see these strings in your result, then you can use this. This is very interesting. Let's create our own name. 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 Okay. Name. Name. Yes. Deepak. Hold on, brother. Deepak Kumar. And then I want to insert a word which should be India. So India, INDIA, okay, and it should be in quartz in string. But how? Hold on. What happened? It should appear. This is what you are. I want to see this in a result. In a result. As you know, here we have this is variable, this is variable, name is variable, it is not variable. In this name variable, this is stored in this is stored in this. Now here we want what? Here we want this should be appeared, this should appear, and as well as this, but it should be with this too, with this too. Now if right now if we run it, then it will give us error. You can see why. I will tell you the reason. This is it. Line number 2. Line number 2. 2. Now here let's fix it. To fix it, remember here you want this double inverted comma, which is string. This is followed by this programming language, but you can use this for yourself. For this you will have to use this slash, one slash outside of this, and one slash inside of this. That's it. Now it will run. So hold on, I was making mistake. Print what name? Name, then n. Here, now let's see. Let's run it. It is error because of this. Let's fix it. One slash outside of this and one slash inside of this. Again it is error. Name, okay, print n, okay, no problem. Now let's line number 2. 1 2. It is not running. Where did I wrong? Where? Here. Now again. Here we have this text. I understood. I understood. Now let's run it. Finally it worked. I was doing wrong here in. So finally, as you can see, it worked. And here if you wanted to apply a full stop, then just enter here full stop here. Enter here full stop. That is how you can use string in you can use this double inverted comma inside a string. Just you will have to use this is slash clear, this slash. Why to use this slash? So that we can insert this double inverted comma. That's why. And it sometimes sometimes it will be important to insert this double inverted comma. When there is a requirement of this double inverted comma inside the string, then you can use this escape creator rules. Now next we have other escape characters used in Python. First is this single quote. If you want to use single quote, then this is for you. Backslash new line carries return tab backspace hex value. Shall we do it practically? Let's do from this. Here we have this, and what is happening here? We want to insert this only one column. It's all right. Sometimes we use this type of a sentence. Then if you don't use this slash, then it will give you error. And here we are using this slash so that we can insert this single inverted comma in this. That's why. But if we have here double inverted comma, then in that case double inverted comma, here we have double inverted comma. In that case, what will happen? Let's see. Is it same? Yes, is it the same? Now let's do it through ourselves. It is all right. So it's me. It's me. Woo. It's me. It's me. It's me. Now I want to apply here a single inverted comma, and here a string. Here string. Will it be error? I think so, yes. Because of reason I will tell you. Hold on. It is not complete. This is the first a variable, and here we are going to print who. Okay. Now it is complete, but it will be error still. We did improve something, but it doesn't mean that it will not be error. Error is somewhere. Line 2. Whatever. Line 2. This one. This 2. No. Not this. In this. So if you are using this, then just use with this what a slash. so that you can insert this single inverted comma slash is here. Now it should not be error. Let's say error. Okay, hold on. If this is error, now let's see text book. It's me, print book. This is fine. What is happening? It's me. Okay, it's me. But here line 2 is coming. Line 2 is coming. Let's copy it and take back step. Here we were using this. This okay. It worked. There is no problem, as you can see. Whoa, it's me. Print. Whoa, it's me. Did you understand why to use this this slash? Because of only one slash. If you are using only one slash, it means you are applying this single inverted comma. That's why. Now next forward we have this double slash. What does that mean? Let's see. Text, this is variable, this will insert one backslash. So if you want to insert this one backslash, then insert a double slash here. Paste. Okay. For example, here you want to insert one slash. For this, just insert double slash. But hold on, it is error. Here, after it a slash is coming. It is coming because of there is a two slash. That's why. That is how it works. Now next. Now we have new line. For new line, just take one slash and then here, as you can see, for new line, text hello world, and where is it used? It is used when we have two paragraphs where we have a lot of sentences, a lot of words, but we want a sentence downward of previous sentence, then it is used. Here we have this hello word, which is together in one sentence, and here we want this word downward of this hello word. So for this we will apply this one slash, this only one slash, and with the slash we will apply n. and then it will sublet this word downward to this here, as you can see. So let's create our own variable, not own, but here we have already. So this is downward, it's me. Now here I want what, uh, Deepak. I want Deepak Kumar. I want Deepak Kumar. Now here I want something. It should be downward. It should be downward and more. Jata. Jata. It also downward of this. So first this uh, one slash and then n. That is how you will have to use. And here again one and then again. Let's see will it work or not. Print who. It should work. If not, then we can fix it. Don't worry. So it worked. Finally it worked. Here we can see there is a space. So to fix it, just fix this, and here over here also over here. Now it is fixed. Deepak Kumar Jata. So here, as you can see, Deepak Kumar Jata, it is in one sentence, but here we did like this, and it happened because of we applied this slash one and then n. That is how it is. It works. So to next line, use this new. Next we have a slash and then r. Carries return. What is it? What does it mean? Let's see. Carries return. Carries return. It means word. What happened here? Hello. Then r. Then word. Print text. Nothing happened. We have this, okay. And here R, okay. And let's remove this, okay. Now let's see. Is there any change between one slash n and one slash r? I think so. No. It, then s, then me. It is the same. Now next we have tab. What is a tab? For this here, how to remember? For next line, n. First letter n. This first letter n. This r, and this t, this b, this f. That is how you can remember. For single inverted comma, just one slash and one single. For one slash, then just enter double slash. Let's see what is the use of a tab. Tab, a space, to a space. For this, we have this, okay. So slash and tab, so t, it should be t. Okay, now let's see how much number of space will be there. So as tab is means to space, number of to space. If you decrease this, then here would be two spaces between this This is the meaning of a tag. Tag is the number of to a space. That is how it works. Clear? Okay, this was about the more space. Now next we have a backspace. Backspace, single, one number of one space. Number of one space. IB. Okay, IB. Where this slash b. So slash b, and here slash b. Why? For one space, for number of one space. So b, and then let's see how will it work. What will it do? Let's see. Only one space. That's it. It may. Then octal value, hex value. Let's see what is it. Octal. Hello. Oh, a backslash followed by the three integers will result in a octal value 110, 145, 154, 154, 157. What is it? Let's ignore it. And then hex value. This is also. We will explore this two letters, don't worry. String methods. Python has a set of built-in method that you can use on a string. All string methods return new values. They don't change the original string. Capitalize converts the first character to uppercase. Capitalize. Okay, if you want to convert the first letter into uppercase, then use this. Casefold converts a string into lowercase. Okay. Center returns a centered string. Count returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a encode. Ends with expand tabs. Set the tab size of the string. Find there are a lot of converts a string into uppercase. There are a lot of These are a lot of. Let's see one by one. From this, you can convert a first letter of a word into upper. Let's do just by using this method. Uppercase. Here H is a small. Then you can convert it. Text capitalize. Text into capitalize. Okay. So first letter will be capitalized. Hello, only hello. This first. A first letter of a sentence will be capitalized. uh, name. Here we have this day which is a smoke, and we want to convert this day into upper. Then just use then just use uh, print. Just use what x, not xy, and then first is what name, then into name. This is first variable into uh, format, into format, not format, capitalize capitalize. This is done. And then open and then close. It is next variable. Now x print x. That is how you will convert a first letter into upper. That is how. What happened? Hold on. This is not any string. Clear now. What else? That's it. Now it is done. Hello and welcome to my world. What happened? It's not working well. Hold. Here is x. So it should be y. Now it will work. It worked. So from this we saw that how to convert a first letter of a word into uppercase. So that is all. Just use capitalize keyword and then double, then one, this bracket. One should be open, then next should be close. Now next we have definition and use. The capitalize method returns a string where the first character is uppercase. A string then into capitalize. Parameter values, no path. This is more example. See what happens if the first character is a number, and what will happen here? This is text, and it will be acid. But what will happen? So I will be 36 is my age. As it. There is no change. There will be no change. If a number which is there is a number which is at the first position, then it will not affect at all. Now next we have a case fault. Converts a string into lowercase. Let's see what is it. We have this h, and you can convert this into lower just by using case fault, and here case fault would be keyword. So here h was into upper, but here we converted this into lower, so just opposite of previous. But here you will have to use not a capitalize but a case fault. For this not print name country India is a hold on where India is a largest democratic country. India is the largest democratic country. Okay, here our purpose here we want to convert this first letter of this word into upper, not upper. It has been done. We have did it. We have done it. Now we want to convert this uppercase letter into lowercase, and for this we will have you are critical that this is a first variable for us. Next we have let's see print then one and then a variable, this variable country then into then case word. That is how you will use this type of rules. Case word then this open bracket and then this close bracket, one more close bracket. It is done. Let's see, will it work or not? Let's see. Yes, India is the largest democratic country at work, and this we did it through ourselves. So it became a practice that we did, and it was compulsory. It is a taking time, doesn't matter, but we will understand anything with the practically we will understand. So here our focus was on how to convert a uppercase letter into lowercase, and we did it. Definition: the case word method returns a string when all the characters are lowercase. This method is similar to lower but the case word method is strong when aggressive, meaning that it will convert more characters into lowercase, and we'll find more matches when comparing two strings and both are converted. This is for you can read it, and it is not I am ignoring it. Doesn't mean that you will ignore. No, it is important for you. So syntax is what? This is a syntax error. This is syntax. String into case word. What is the syntax? Syntax is where we use a keyword and with a variable. This is what the syntax. And here, if we find any kind of error, then Python would say yes, this is your syntax error. So just our eye will be on this. Our eye will be on keywords that we use, that we applied. So parameter value. So it is done. We can move forward. Next we have centered. Let's see what I think each would be each would give importance. I think so. So Python string center. here text banana. Okay, x text into center 20. We are moving. It seems that yes, we are moving at the advanced level. That is what I am realizing. So let's say here we are centering a variable. We are centering a variable, this banana, at 100, at 20. Let's see. So you can see importance of this. Here center of this, center is here, not here. 20. Text into center, and here center is a keyword, and from here to till here it is a syntax error. It is a syntax, not error, it is a syntax where we use keyword with the variable. Through ourselves, let's see. Deepak Kumar. Okay, Deepak, not Deepak. India country, India country, India country, India country. Okay. uh, hold on, this is not very well. For this variable, India country. Okay, country, copy it, x, and then paste here. Okay, country, this is a variable, this is what is a variable. Now we want to center this, we want to put this. So text into, here we are saying that center this variable, and as we know, in this variable is a banana, this, and we are centering this at this. So printer what, printer text this country. Okay, country, clear. Print this country into keyword we are going to use. So into uh, center, into center, yes, center at 50. Let's say at 50, at 50. At 50, it is done. It is done. Will it work? I think so, it should work. Hold on, yes. No, there is an incomplete, it is incomplete. And here there is a lack of string. Now let's see. It worked, finally it worked. And here 50 center at 30. Let's say at 30 it will come here, over here. This is how we can center a variable. This is how. Remember, this side it would be y-axis, this side x-axis. This is how you can align a variable, a word. Just enter a text, then into center, that's it. Next. Now I think it is done. Shift, then this. Okay, copy. In this we saw that how to align any word with a number. It was very important. It cannot be ignored. So next is define and use. The center method will center align the string using a specified character. A space is a default as the fill character. Syntax is what? A string, then into center length into character how much. Parameter values length required the length of the returned string. Character optional the character to fill the missing space on each side. Default is a space. More examples using the letter O. O. Okay, let's see. This is optional. It is optional. So character to fill the missing space. Let's see what is it saying. Missing a space. There is a space, and if you want to fill this, then this is optional. It will depend on you. So just enter this, and then it will be filled. If you want to do it practically from my side, then just let me paste, and here we have this variable. Now let's run it first of all. Add this. Okay, no problem. So here we have a space. This is a space from here and till the here. This much number of space will be filled here, not till the infinite. Here we can add what with the string anything. For example, 5 and with the string. Let's see what will it do. We have this. So it is error because of this is number. Let's enter letter D. Again error. Line 8. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Print country dot center 30D. A space. I think a space is compulsory. Country D. From here to tell here. Country. Yes, I found. Main issue is over here. This we will have to remove this, and as well as where this. Now it should work. Why is that happening? If this is happening, then one thing I can do is that just copy this and y is equal to and then paste it. Okay, this is next variable, and here print x print x, not x, y. Now let's see, will it work or not? And there should be 5 and 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And yeah, what's wrong in this? 3 3 6. India, country here, y over here. What happened? 30 comma, not comma. Okay, over here. So it is telling you error is where? Error is here, line number 9. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In this, where? Here 30 comma, then here in this. So we have applied this. Now let's see where. One more. Oh no, it worked, as you can see. That is how it will work. So here we have filled this spaces. This was not compulsory, but if you have option, then you can use this. We are moving forward. So in this we saw how to align any string, any word which is in string. So that is how, just a string and then into, then keyword, then bracket. Now backward we have a count. I think I should not ignore anything. Count, we have next count. Let's see what is the use of this count. Just a string, then into, then count, then bracket, simple bracket. Note, I will consider it is as simple. Then ahead of this medium, then hard, complex, not hard, medium, complex. Return the number of times the value apple appears in the string. I love apples. Apples are my favorite fruit. What is it saying? Text count, okay. I will say that is it important to use this? Then I will take time on this to do practice. So this is variable I love. Okay, apples are my favorite fruit. Here, what is it? 2. So yes, count of words. If you wanted to know what is how much number of this word is a percent in your variable, so just by using this you can find. Now we have okay, country, CONTRY. Clear. This is one variable. India. Then USA. Then what? China. Then Brazil. Then again India. Brazil, India, and then again India. Just for this. Okay, now it's a fine. India. Now okay, fine. So we have this one variable inside the string, and here we want to now, so let's print it. Print print what? Mm, First of all bracket, then a variable which we want to print. So country, CONTRY. In this variable we want to know how much numbers of these words are present in this variable. So country, then into next is what? Keyword is what? Count. 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 Then same bracket, then close bracket. No. Yes, what word do you want to count? So India. INDIA. India, this word. So let's see. I think it is done. This is first variable, and we want to print this. It should work now. Bracket is complete. So it should be 1 2 3 4 5 5. So where is the problem? Error is coming. Let's see. Trace back most recent code last. So file program py. File is what? Program py. Python. Line number 8 in. Line number 8. There is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 in this country. Hold on. Brazil in name error. Alright, India is not defined. Apple 2 time. Let's take this again A, and this S, and this U, and this Z. Now will it work? India name error. This is fine. So India, okay. Brazil, China, USA, and it is inside the string. Country. Let's copy it. Okay, copy. Again we will try it, don't worry. I want to see. Required a string. This string to value to search for. optional and integer the position to start the search, and optional. Okay, more examples. So hold on. It is not working. India is defined. So if I want to fix okay, now here, okay, India is a country. India is a country and Brazil India. Now will it work? Now let's see. It didn't work. So let's ignore it right now. Next is encode. Encode. UTF-8 encode the string. Meaning. Definition and use. The encode method encodes the string using the specified encoding. If no coding is specified, UTF-8 will be used. Now syntax string encode. Encoding is equal to encoding. Error is equal to errors. So here we are here. Text is equal to my name is store. So x is equal to text encode. Then what will happen? B, my name is stx. So we don't need to understand it right now. We will see it later. Don't worry. We will see it later in code. Ends with returns true if the string ends with a specified end. Find. This will be compulsory. Expand tabs. Set the tabs size. No. Not right now. Find. Find. Let's use this. To find anything, find welcome in this where. So here you can see what is happening. So we can find anything from by using this keyword. So 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7. It started from 7. If we take Deepak Kumar, not Deepak Kumar. Country, then is equal to, then India got independence. India is a country. India is a country. Okay, no problem. India is a country, no problem. This is we entered a variable. Now we want to know where is a. This is what we want to know. So for this, just what print print and then a bracket, then variable country, then close bracket, then one more bracket to complete this. But hold on, this is a country, it is not complete. Country. And what about keyword? So keyword find okay. Now which word? So a letter, a letter. So here this and a and one more inside the string, inside the string. Now it is a complete. Let's run it. 4 1 no 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So here a is here, over here. If India, then so it is counting like this: 1 2 3 4. Then here let's say is. Then what about this? It should be 2, but 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 after one word. What about India? What about India? So it is at 0, India, and this is at 7 1 2 3. So let's just replace this by my. No, that is how it works. It is telling you that at this 18. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16 17 18. It is right. Now what about this? So I got a. It is talking about this a. So after 4, not after 4, at 4. So from here 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 4. Here this is, it is talking about this. and my focus was over here, so it is correct. Now what about C? Let's see. So answer would be answer would be what? Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. 11, yes, 11. Let's see. At 11. At 11. Yes. So that is how you can find any letters. Any letters. Not word. Any letters. Just by using these keywords. Find methods are the first acronyms. Okay. Value required, the value to search for. Start optional, where to start search. Default is this. Example this E. It is done. We will say it later. Right now I am ignoring. Next we have format. Formats for specified values. You can ignore it right now. Index with how much number, with how much digit index number is present this letter. So by using this you can find is a decimal, is a digit, is lower, returns true if all characters in this string are lowercase. Is lower, is identifier, returns true if the string is identifier. Is a digit, returns true if all characters in this string are digits. Wow, this is very easy to understand it. Is alnum, returns true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric. Wow, let's see one by one. Here, one by one. Okay. So from here, I'm not ignoring it at all. Let's see. What is it? Here, expand tabs. You can expand tabs. So we need to ignore this. Here we have a format. So format is specified. Let's see what is the use of this. Insert the price inside the placeholder. The price should be in fixed point to decimal format. So text is this is a variable for only, and then you will insert price here. So here price should be here $2 dollars. Print text, then format. This is a format. This is what is a format. Price is equal to 49. So here it would be 49. Let's see what for only 49.00 dollars. It is in floating number because here 2 float, which means after decimal there should be 2 digits. 2 float. What if 3 floats? Then 3 floats. Then 3 digits. 3 digits. What if infinity? infinity? Where is the infinity? 30. Now let's run. It is small. It is a lot of. That is how you can. So how much there should be uh, digits after decimal, after floating? So it will. Who will determine? It will determine. It will determine. Here we applied this column. We are saying that price is this much. Price over here, and then this uh, floating number. Okay. This was use of this syntax. Now next we have this is complete and format map. Syntax search the strings for the specified value and return the position of where it is found. Position at which number of index position a word is present. For example, index, you will get a result into number from 0. Mhm. Here we have this variable, and in this x text, then index we are finding index number of a word where it is. So index will come, this will come. So I think index should be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Add 7. Yes. What if what if just a then 0 1 1, it would be 1 because O is at 1, that's why. And what about M? Let's see. This 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, not 16, 15 14 13 12 12 12. That is how it works. Now next definition and use. You can read it is for you. Syntax parameters. Now we have is alum returns true. It will tell you it is true if all characters in this string are alphanumeric. Let's see. Alphabet plus numeric. Alphabet plus number. Let's see. Here we have yes. Alphanumeric, which means a word with a number, so it will be true. Result would be true because in this string, in this variable, we have a number with a word. That's why it is true. What if we remove this number? Then it will tell you here is alphanumeric. This is short. Is alphanumeric. AL and then numeric is. Here we are saying that yes, this is alphanumeric. This is what we are saying. This variable is alphanumeric. That is how it is read. So here is alphanumeric. So now, as we know that it is only alpha, not numeric. So it will give you false. as well. How? Company? What happened? No, no, no. No. It is also telling me either you have a number or a text, then it will also be true. It will also be true. Not only, it is not compulsory to have both alpha and number. It is not compulsory in this. Okay, no problem. uh, True if all the characters are alphanumeric, meaning alphabet A to Z and numbers 0 to 9. Example of the characters are not alphabetic, space, etc. In this, we don't have number as well as alpha. That's why it is not alphanumeric. Okay, syntax, just testing, and then uh, full stop into not, it is not full stop into, then is alphanumeric a, then number. Parameters values, more examples. Here in this we have this and this, so it should be yes, true. It should be true because false because of a space is also a false, is the reason for false. There should not be false, there should not be false. It will be false, it will be reason for coming false, as we read here. Examples of a character that are not alphabetic, a space and all this. If all this is coming, will not be alphanumeric, it will be false. Now it is clear about is, L and NUN. It is clear. Is alpha, only alpha, alpha which means only alphabets, returns to if all characters in the are the alphabets. Let's see, is alphabet. If number is coming, then it will be false. Here we have check if all the characters in this. So here there are all characters, so it should be yes, it should be true. Yes, true. Either it is uppercase, it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. True. What if we include number? Now it will be false because of we are including, and here we have keyword which is alpha, only alpha, only alpha. We are saying that this variable is alpha, but truth is that in this variable we have number, so that's why it will be false. It will be false. Clear? That is how it works. What if number again, number N-U-M no, error, error, yes, error. String. What if this only number? Now let's see. Error. It is invalid in this programming language. Okay, string. And here examples of characters that are not alpha, so a space will not be alphabet. These symbols are not alphabet. If you see this in your variable, then it will be false. Result would be false. Check if all the characters in the text is alphabetic. Here no, it is not a it is a false. Result is false. because of here we have a number, that's why. Now next, okay, it is done. Next we have is a decimal. If there is a decimal in variable, then we will say yes, it is true. If all the characters in this string are decimals, it is something else. uh, Decimals, Unicode. These are decimals, Unicode. True. How true? I Let's ignore it for now. For now, we have is a digit. Returns true if all the characters in the string are digits. One a digit, not number. I will show you difference between number and digit. Check if all the okay. Here we have this. This is number. This is number. Answer would be false. If it is not true, but it is a, it is what? It is a number. Why is it considering this as a number? So if this is, we know that it is a number, but in this Python is understanding that yes, all these are because here we entered what a keyword is a digit. So here Python is understanding that all these are digits. That is what Python is understanding. If what if we apply comma, then it will be false. Let's see, false. False, it is false. Because of we applied comma, and as you know, if we apply comma, then it will become 5, it will become a digit. But what is happening now? Right now it is not also 5 is a digit, isn't it? If we apply here comma, then it will not be a digit. So only 5, it is a digit. It is a digit. Is a digit. Okay, we check if all the characters in the text are digits. So here, okay, Unicode 40. What digit? No. True. We will have to ignore this. Next we have is identifier. Identifier, which means variable is valid or not. Let's see. Variable is valid or not. Let's see. Check if the string is a valid identifier. Text is equal to demo. Hold on. What is identifier? True. True. Text demo. True. What if we apply space, not a space, this, now it will be false. Error. Error. So here there is a no error in this, that's why it is a true. It is a identifier. This variable is identifier. The definition and uses. A string is considered a valid identifier if it only contains the alphabet letters A to Z and only number or underscores. It is talking about the variable. A valid identifier cannot start with a number or contain any space. Yes, this is what we can see in this. Cannot start with a number. For example, 1. Let's say, will it be false? Error, direct error. So this was what? This was invalid. Now it is valid. In this we are trying to say that yes, this variable is an identifier. This variable is an identifier. It is valid. This is what we are saying. Now next. Check if the strings are valid identifiers. What's wrong? No. This is not. It is yes. True, false. I think so. True. Why? I don't know. Let's see what will happen. True, false. Here, true, false. Why? Because here 2 is a number which is at first. It is starting from here. That's why. And here is a space. That's why. This is what is false. If we create here a space, then it will be also false. Okay. That is how you can find identifier is valid or not. Now next is lower. If all the inputs that are inside the string is in lower, then yes, true. Returns true if all characters in the string are lowercase. Let's see. If one letter is upper, then result would be false. Here we have a check if here as we know all the characters are in lower. That's why it is a true. Because all the characters are in lower. What if we enter this C? Now it will be false because of here we are saying this variable is lower. What if we remove this? If we remove this, then lower is not a keyword. So for this keyword we will have to apply this. It will become what if we apply here comma this point. No, because it is not keyword. There is any keyword which color is something else, not this, then we can apply this point so that it can show color itself. As you can see, that is how it works. It is the importance of a point. Now here, what will be result of this? False, because of A is upper, and here we are saying text this is a error, and this is lower, but truth is what A is upper. That's why that is lower. Now next we have numbers, symbols and spaces are not checked, only alphabet characters. Here Python will ignore numbers, Python will ignore symbols. Python will ignore a space. Python only will focus on character, alphabet character. As you can see, hold on. More examples in this. There is a space. There is a. This is what. This is number in this string, and in this my name is Peter. So all these are now. Here this what is lower. It is a false. This is a true, and it is a false. Why? Because here H is upper and here P is upper. That's why this and this will be false. In this alphabets are in lower. That's why. So here false, false and true. It is also complete. Next we have is numeric. I were entering number NUM only numeric. If there is a number only numeric returns if all characters in the string are numeric. That's the same. What if there is a word, a letter with a number, then will it be true? Check if here in this all in this variable all are numbers. So answer would be yes. But one thing I want to check. So first of all, this is yes because of all these are numbers. That's why. What if I insert a day? Okay, will it be true? I think so. No, it should not be. It should not be. But here, yes. It is also saying that yes, it is false because of in this we have both a number as well as a this alphabet. What if only a this strange word? Again false, because here we are saying this is a numeric, but truth is what it is not numeric. What if we say alpha is alpha? Now what if it is true because it is alpha. It is alpha. That's why it is true, but it is not a numeric. Now next we have definition and use. Exponents like this and this are also considered to be numeric values. If you are applying this and this will be also true. Parameters. More examples in this we have. I am not able to understand this. That's why I ignore it right now. Now next we have this is done till here it is done. Next printable returns true if all the characters in the string are printable. This is something else new. We have okay, printable. Hello, are you #1 is a printable. True. Here we applied this it indicates a comment, but in this not, because of this string. Otherwise false. Examples of non-printable characters can be carries, return and line feed. Let's see. Here we have more examples. This is slash is not defined as a printable. Slash What if you are applying this slash, but there is a space? It is a false, I know. There is a space. What if now? False, okay. No problem. Now, again false. I also don't know about it. Next we have is a space. What a space. Hmm. What a space. There is a space. Is a space. There is a space. True. What if I and then and what if now? Will it be true? I think so. No, because of this is not Python is not saying that this will be considered uh, as a space in this note. There should not be nothing, and here number of space can be more. It doesn't matter, and it will be true. Only a space. That's it. Now next we have x. Okay, this is done. It was very simple. It is not complex. What if in this s is coming? And it would be false because of s is coming. There should be nothing. Now next we have is a title. If in your string if you have a title, then yes, the string follows the rules of a title. What is the rule of a title? Let's see what is the rule of a title. Check if each word start with an uppercase letter. This is the rule of a title. If each word is starting from a upper case a letter, which should be first letter. So yes, this will be considered as title. This will be considered as title if each word has a letter which is at first is upper, then yes. If this is lower, will it be true? But no, it should be false. It should be false because of definition in for this is what each not there is no ignore point each. That's why. So rule of a title is what each word should have a first letter which should be upper, Now next we have the method returns if true if all words in a text start with a uppercase letter and the rest of the word are lowercase letters after a letter. Otherwise false. If this is not happening, then the result would be false. Symbols and numbers are ignored. In this, symbols and numbers will not be focused by this program. I guess you can use symbols and numbers. This was the rule of. So here we have more examples. Here in this is a true, but hold on, it is wrong. It is false. Only first letter, and this is a true. This is also true, and this is not a true. I think it should be true. It should be true. Let's see. Yes, false, true. According to this, we answered right. Now it is done. Next, forward. We have upper. If if all characters in the string are uppercase, all characters. Here we have in this, as you can see, all characters are in uppercase. That's why it is a true. We are saying in string all characters are in uppercase, all characters. So this is what we are saying by using this, which is a true. What if this is a small? No, it will be wrong. It will be false because here all these characters are not in upper. That's why. Numbers, symbols, and spaces are not checked. Only alphabet characters. Okay, no problem. Check if all the characters in this text are in uppercase. Okay, hold on. This is false. This is also false. This is true. False, false, true. False, false, true. False, false, true. That was very easy. Next we have join the elements of an iterable to the end of the string. There are a lot of title converts the first character of each word to uppercase. Okay. We are here. Join. We will explore all this later. All this later. Don't worry. Whatever we left will be discussed later. I think tomorrow. So next would be woolens. In this woolen, what will be discussed? Let's see. What will be discussed? Boolean. Boolean, which means true, false. Okay. It is true. This is not true. This is not true. Okay. Clear. Is it done? Most values are true. Some values are false. Function can return a boolean. Define my function. Okay. In this we are realizing that we will be exploring this in too much details. Print yes if the function returns true, otherwise print no. Oh, wow, if, else, def, all this we will see in this. In is instance, okay, we will explore this and don't worry. Each topics will be covered. Nothing will be ignored. I promise you. One thing more. We have operators. This is also important. In this, we will see arithmetic operators, logical operators. There are a lot of operators. So here we have arithmetic operators, assignment operaters. Then we have this comparison operators, logical operators, identify operators, membership operators, bitwise operator. All these are compulsory. Okay, all these are compulsory. Python arithmetic operators, we are familiar with this. Then this is we are also familiar with this. We will stuck over here. Here we will start. No. Python compression operator, we are familiar with this. Python logical operators. Here we are saying yes, yes, we are also familiar with this. Is x is y returns true if both variables are the same object. Okay, it is also easy to understand it. Python membership operators in x in y, x not in y. It is also returns true if a sequence with the specified value is not present. It is also very easy to understand. We will be able to understand it very easily. Python bitwise operators. This AND operator, and it is AND. Set each bit. It can be little bit hard, complex, but don't worry. Or name of this note. This can be little bit hard, complex. It doesn't mean that we will ignore it. Not at all. Python list. We have Python list. Then here. Wow, too much. Machine learning. Python. It will take a lot of time, but promise me I will explore all this. Python how to. All this will be explored. Don't worry. All this will be explored. Right now, this is enough. Let's see what is it. Python list. Oh, this list. Then tuple. This list. These examples. Okay, we will explore all this that we left. Don't worry. Till now, this is enough. We will see in next video.